Need an escape? Find serenity in San Diego. Here's how. Stay at the Fairmont Grand Del Mar, a 5-star Mediterranean-inspired resort in an idyllic canyon. For a more coastal vibe, book a suite at the historic La Valencia Hotel overlooking the ocean. Set sail on a private charter with San Diego Sailing Tours for an unforgettable experience you won't find on land. Enjoy a blissful afternoon on the bay and add a champagne toast for the ultimate treat. Dine at Anime, a glam Pan-Asian steakhouse serving flavor-packed fusion in dishes like the chili octopus and signature Wagyu. And don't skip dessert. The matcha crepe cake is a dream. Sip cocktails on the terrace of Mr. A's, where fine dining is paired with creative concoctions like smoke and mirrors. Come for the drinks, stay for the knockout views of downtown San Diego.